Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Be Cool channel, and today I am going to recite a story. The title of the story is The Mind Reader. Once there was a cop named Thea. She could read mind of other people. Like she was handling a case and the robber denied that he did not steal the money. Thea went into his mind and found the place where he hid the money. He hid the money in his grandmother's house. Thea went there and got all the money. Robber was arrested. Now, Thea wanted a break. Thea got a break, and after a while, scientists called her to test upon her, but they couldn't find anything. Meanwhile, the chief was attending a case. Police chief was attending a case that there was a robber. The police couldn't catch the robber. So the chief thought that he should call Thea, as Thea is a good cop. Thea was called. Then the chief told that this is a very good robber. He stole a painting from an exhibition where there were hundred of people. He stole the money from bank where there were guards. Now, he has left us a clue that he will steal from the prince's treasury. Then Thea said that yes, we should we should apply security there. Chief said yes, you and me will also be there as guards. Chief and Thea secured all the gates. Now, the robber did not came in through gates, he came through the window. He broke the window, came in and took the treasury. A boy saw his face, but the robber got away. The police couldn't catch him. The face was identified, he was a laundryman. Thea and the police went there and caught him. They tortured him for a while, but as Thea also went into his mind, but she couldn't find anything related to the robbery. So they had to let him go. Thea started to follow him every day. He would went into a public washroom and don't come out for 2-3 hours, and a robbery happens. He goes into a bus and a robbery happens. Every time he goes somewhere, a robbery happens. The police went back to his house and got him again. They tortured him again, but they couldn't find anything. Now Thea saw him giving money to a poor man, a lot of money. So she went to the laundry man and caught him and said, "Where do you get this money? This is a lot of money. A laundry person doesn't get such a big sum of money." He said, "Where I work, he is a scientist. He pays me money for doing experiments on me." Now Thea said, "Okay." Now Thea and the chief followed the laundryman while laundryman was going into the scientist's lab. As the laundryman went into the scientist's lab and the scientist started to do the experiment on him that he used to do, Thea and the chief went in and said that you cannot do experiment on human. The scientist said it is harmful. It is not harmful. Chief said to Thea to go into scientist's mind. Thea went into scientist's mind and she got that scientist was doing that experiment that he makes a laundryman into he gives him superhuman strength so that he could steal and get away from the police, and then he erases his memory. Now they caught the scientist and took all the stuff that the scientist has stolen. the laundryman was given a job for the police, and Thea and the laundryman fell in love. Thank you.